hackers, the coding kid here. Today we're going to set up p5.js and start coding in JavaScript. It's fun and easy and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. What is p5.js? p5.js is an amazing JavaScript library for animating all kinds of fun. In a few short videos, we will code this animation. But first, we need to get set up. What do you need to get started? You don't really need much. You only need VS Code, which we will install next, and a web browser, preferably Chrome because of its great debugging tools. VS Code is a very popular code editor. It's light and fast, and it has many cool features. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Install the version that you need for your operating system. We will install an extension called p5.vscode. This will help us set up our project. We'll go to extensions and then search for p5.vscode. When it comes up, we'll install it. p5.vscode will give us the p5.js library, IntelliSense, and live reload. Now we actually need to use our extension. So we'll go to View, Command Palette, and then type create new p5.js project. When it comes up, we'll click it. Now a file explorer should come up. We'll create a new folder. I'm going to call it Bounce. So we'll go into the folder and then we'll click Select Folder. A new VS Code should come up. Okay, p5.vscode created a lot of files for us. So let's take a look into the index.html. It's referencing the p5 library and the p5 sound library. Plus, it's referencing our sketch.js. That's where we will write our code. p5.vscode also gave us two starting functions, setup and draw. And it gave us live reload, which automatically reloads the browser when we save our code. So let's get that working. We'll press the Go Live button. This should open our live reload web page in a new tab. Cool! To test our live reload, we will make a change to the code. Let's say make the canvas's background black. Great, that worked. The setup function runs once at the start. That's why we create our canvas in it. We only need to create one canvas. The create canvas function creates a canvas, obviously. But what is a canvas? An HTML canvas is even better than a painting canvas because you can draw anything on it. And you can also add animation and interactivity. We can also change the canvas dimensions. I will change it to 700 wide and 700 tall. And the draw loop is a function that makes the code in it repeat forever. Unlike the setup function, it runs 60 times a second. Now we will actually draw a circle. For the parameters, we will use 350, 350, and 100. The full function sets the color for the shapes that you are going to draw. Here is the reference page for the circle function. It contains the description, interactive examples, and the syntax. p5.js uses x, y coordinates. The x coordinate, which is always first, determines how far the center of the circle is from the left edge of the canvas. The y coordinate, which is always second, determines how far the center of the circle is from the top edge. So in this case, since our canvas dimensions are 700, 700, the circle should be in the middle of the canvas. Here are the useful links. You can use the p5.js editor directly to follow these videos, even if you haven't installed VS Code. The JavaScript code will work exactly the same way in the editor. And also, the documentation for p5.js is excellent. Please check it out. It explains all the cool features very well. And there are lots of great examples available here. Let's have a look at one. The recursive tree example looks great. Daniel Schiffman is a great p5.js teacher. You should check out his website and his YouTube channel. That's it, we're set up and ready for the real fun to begin. See you in the next video where we will add animation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.